Back at it again, Perfect Pressure LLC with another driveway. Here we have a driveway, medium stain, a lot of tire tracks. So we went ahead and hit it with our industrial solution. This actually cleaned up pretty nice at the end, so stay tuned to the very end. Here we have tire tracks here, and we're gonna go ahead and pre-treat. My beautiful wife, Ms. Z, pre-treating, laying down a mild solution. We're gonna go ahead and make sure we hit everything with the pre-treat. Very important to pre-treat everything and post-treat. That's what's gonna help you take up all the tire tracks and everything. Now here we are with the surface cleaner. The surface cleaner just pretty much cleans everything up very evenly. Makes all of our jobs a lot easier, and it does an even job. It go ahead and gives you a wider space. And now what we're doing is we're going ahead and rinse everything down with the wand, and we also get anything we miss with the surface cleaner with that. But we like to get every crack. We like to get the corners, all the corners, everything off the wall. Make sure because it splashes on the wall sometimes, so you want to get it back off the wall, because essentially all we're doing is just moving dirt from one place to another. So we're taking it off the surface, it has to go somewhere. So what we're doing is getting it all off the cracks out to the driveway and just add it there, and it has to go somewhere. So now that's the machine, 4 gallons per minute, hot water, BE, 420 cc. This is an amazing house. It's a very beautiful home. Pleasure to work with. And here we are, surface cleaning, taking it easy, not too fast. That way we can get everything very nice and even. There's no rush when you're doing work like this. You want to take your time. All right, back to the video.